Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3. This is our final part to complete our video series and also to complete our football mindset as well. Part 1 was working on accepting bad moments that are going to happen because it is a fact that they are coming. So hopefully you're making steps and strides to start thinking about these things. Again, it won't be overnight, but keep on revisiting these videos so it's getting stuck into your head. Part 2 was taking responsibility, which is common and essential to your development. If you want to improve fast, you must take responsibility, because therefore you can then act and you can then go and do things that are going to maybe change the outcome for everything that's going on around you. So part 3, I want to look at something that is a question that I get asked a lot, and the question is, Tom, how many hours do I need to put in to play at the highest level, or to get to the highest level? And there's a lot of different books out there, and there's a lot of different theories out there. Do this amount of hours and you'll get this end goal. And we're all looking for shortcuts, and I'd love to share a shortcut with you. And I'm looking for shortcuts myself. I want to get better as fast as possible, but there really is no shortcuts. I think you just must take massive action. You must practice as much as possible. You must work on your skills, on your repetitions. You must be thinking about football, and you must be ticking all the boxes, and it's got to be happening all the time. In order for you to get to the highest level, you just need discipline. So make sure you're staying disciplined with your training routine and with your mind. You need consistency, and you need to be persistent as well. And if you do these three things over and over again, and you're acting with acceptance and with responsibility, what we spoke about in the first 2 videos, then you will increase your chances of playing at the highest level. So you've basically got 3 options. You can either do nothing, which is clearly that's not what you're doing, because you're here with me right now trying to figure out how you can close the gap between yourself and the next level. You can take normal levels of action, which is actually quite a dangerous place to be in. I'll tell you why in a second. Or you can take massive action. So we already know not doing nothing not going to get us anywhere, and you're not one of them people, or you're not in that category anyway, because you're here with me now. The normal levels of action is actually quite dangerous, because you actually think that you're doing something because maybe you're busy, but really you're actually not doing enough work, or you're not doing what is required to get you to the next level. So people who take normal levels of action are either maybe training twice a week with the team, playing twice of a weekend, so playing on a Saturday, playing on a Sunday. This is the typical schedule. And then those people think because they're playing football 4 times a week that they're taking high levels of action, and that's going to get them to where they want to be. When the truth is, almost all the players that are around you in your team, in your leagues, they're all doing the same things as you. They're all training twice a week. They're all playing twice a week on a Saturday and a Sunday. So you're actually not doing anything that is above the normal. So these are normal levels of action, which means normal levels of action will get you normal results and average results, and that's not where we want to be. So you must be in the next category, which is massive action. You must be doing something that players around you and people who are your age, you must be doing extra work that they're not doing. And the more actions that you take and the more extra work that you do, the more chances you're going to have of getting to that next level. So make sure that you are in the 3rd category, and you are taking massive action, and you are doing extra work and more work than the people around you. And if you do this over time, again, it's not overnight, you do this over time, eventually you will get to where you want to be. So all these 3 tools, we've got acceptance, we've got responsibility, and now we've got levels of action that is required for you to get to the next level. If you carry these out and implement them into your routine or into your game, then this will close the gap. These things are the difference between the average and the good, and between the good and the great. Sometimes I get confused. I see a grassroots player and an academy player, and I think, how is that player at the academy and how is this player at the grassroots team? Because technically they are similar. Sometimes the grassroots player is actually better technically than the academy player, but when I work with the academy player, after 5 sessions, after 10 sessions, I start to get to know them, how they think, what is going on up here, then it becomes clear why that player is at the academy and why this player is at the grassroots level. So these mental shifts are the difference between the next level for you. So hopefully this was of value to you, and please let me know how you get on with these mental tools. If you've got questions, send them over. I'm here to help, because I've been through lots of personal experience trying to test out these routines. There's no guesswork here. I know that these work for sure, just through personal experience of watching these elite players, personal experience of doing it on myself, and also feeding these tools into our clients that we train here in Liverpool, and seeing the positive results come back as well. So good luck on your journey, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks a lot.